Welcome back to Park Time, where the line between convenience and disaster is just one bad decision away. What would you do if you came back to find your car boxed in by garbage trucks or lifted straight into the air? Today, we're revisiting moments where street justice is carried out in ways that are ruthless, yet surprisingly creative. Brace yourself, because what you're about to see isn't just a joke, it's the price of selfish choices. Watch for the entertainment, but remember one thing: respecting the rules is the same as respecting your own wallet. A parking job that won't let the door open, but definitely opens up all the emotions. Nice car, but the garage door just did its job and closed anyway. Parked in the garage, forgot to factor in 10th grade physics. A parking move so bad, even Google Maps won't take responsibility. Not sure if the owner knows, but the car's on a short trip. When the no parking sign isn't convincing enough, she handles it personally. The car didn't flip, it's just standing up rethinking its life choices. The car didn't sink, it just switched to water transportation. This proves one thing: never underestimate bored neighbors. The car thought it was parked temporarily, turned into the neighborhood's trash hub. The car thought it was alone. Turned out, it got a very warm welcome. Not an accident, just a multi-level display model. When you think it's a puddle, but it's actually a fountain. This proves in this game, the excavator always wins. Park in the morning, come back in the afternoon to find your car has its own basement. Not a collision, just an overly friendly introduction. Watching him pop that hood open like a can of sardines. This urban order captain skipped the ticket and went straight to impact. Saw the car looking suffocated, so he helped with some ventilation. Too hot outside, so he brought it inside for some air conditioning. When you realize your ex's car is parked right in front of you. The way he parked says one thing: the GPS in his head is buffering. Gentle lesson: saving a few centimeters while parking might cost you a few yoga moves later. He's not getting fined, he's just carrying the evidence with him. That feeling when you come back for your car and it's literally being built around. He didn't get fined, he just got a new piece of jewelry for his wheel. He thought he parked on snow, the city thought it was a performance stage. Block the road, and the neighbors deliver a gift right to you. Park in the wrong spot, and people choose direct emotional expression. Some arguments start with words, others start with tools. You just wanted coffee, but traffic laws wanted a word first. When you don't check the weather, but the weather checks you. Most people just drive through puddles. This guy drove through his dignity. That moment you realize you picked the wrong opponent. Two SUVs thought they were fine until they saw Destiny's headlights. Wanted $1 million view, got $1 million problem instead. He's looking for his car keys, while the real key problem is under the tire. When you argue with the parking lot and decide to lie down to think about it. Not a parking lot, this is nature's lottery game. This isn't a car wash, it's interior wall plastering. Even the duck looks over like, "Sir, what exactly are you doing here?" Someone clearly spent a lot of time on this masterpiece. Parking like he's testing mountain climbing mode. The road has lines, but he has his own direction. just delivering a package, but somehow created cinematic effects. The gate isn't small. His confidence is just a little oversized. An emotional hold-on moment right in the middle of the street. Parking like he's solving a 3D Rubik's Cube. Parking style. If not me, then nobody. The car chose the Shavasana pose out in nature. The grass was peaceful, until he decided to get involved. Hat's life, full of U-turns. Just make sure yours are smooth. Not like the one we just saw. Bottom line, the road isn't your personal backyard, so maybe tone down the circus act for everyone's sake. What score are you giving that move? A 1 for execution or a 10 for pure bravery? Drop your verdict in the comments for Park Time. See you in the next video with even more chaotic moments coming your way.